So greetings to everyone. Congratulations to those who have received the call from IIM Calcutta. So you have achieved this initial milestone. The subsequent step would be to complete the PI form. Now, without any further ado, let's commence the process. So let's start with the basic details. You'll have to fill out some basic details like name, gender, address, parents' name, contact details, email ID, nationality, category, marital status, annual income, and all those things. Along with it, some additional details would be there, like which course you want to choose, what are the special interest, passion in these areas, relevant work experience, graduation, what are the marks in the graduation stream, and all those things. Along with it, basic educational qualifications like 10th, 12th, graduation details, what are the professional qualifications that you have, like in the 10th class, board, institute, examination ID, and all those things. So all the like the pointers are listed here in IIM Calcutta form. These will be the things that they are going to ask you while filling out the form. Then the work experience part. In the work experience, they'll ask you about the name of the company, what industry that company belongs to, what are the functions that you were involved in, designation, what was your CTC, what is the tenure of the job, start date, end date. You have to briefly describe the role that you were involved in, and you have to mention all the work experience, all the companies that you have worked with, along with all these details. Then any achievements that you have in your like the working life, you have to mention what are the titles of the award, what was the position, what was the level. You have to describe what you did to achieve that particular award. Then the most important part, these are the SOP questions that they ask in IIM Calcutta form. So first of all, the students who are already enrolled in the Career Launches PDP program, so they must be having this particular tool, which is a wonderful tool, in my opinion. So basically, these are the four questions which are listed on the screen, like extracurricular activities and all these things. So how does this tool work? So uh, before filling out the real form, you'll fill out all the answers in this particular form, which is there in the PDP zone. And after you are done with it, after you submit it, your mentor will get a notification that the mentee has filled this form, and they'll review it. They'll provide the feedback on the portal itself. Once the mentor provides the feedback, you will get a notification that your mentor has provided a feedback. So it is a two-way communication. When you are done with the entire feedback and the process, then you can finally fill the answers in the actual form. So it is a wonderful tool. Students who are enrolled in the PDP program should definitely take use of it. Okay. Great. So, what are the questions that are asked in IIM Calcutta form? So, these are the four questions. I'll name out the questions. The first one is extracurricular activities. What is the nature of activity? The level at which you were involved at, the honors and awards that you have got for that particular activity, and 30 words for each. For each activity, around 30 words should be there. Then the second one, list out your hobbies, not more than two, with brief description. You don't have to do a detailed explanation of all the hobbies. They just want a crisp answer. What are the main hobbies of yours? Then the third one, which is career goals, and it is specifically written that it has to be within 100 words. The last one, the academic distinction or prizes or awards or any other useful information that you have. So these are the four SOP questions which are there in the IIM Calcutta form. Now, all the students, most of the students ask me whether I can provide a basic answer for the same. Obviously, that I cannot do. But I'll give a sample answer of all these four questions so that you can also build on that. Please don't copy the answers because these are very specific answers to some other profile, maybe not matching to your particular profile. So for the first question, any extracurricular activity? So we have to mention the nature of activity, level and honors and achievements or awards. So in the nature of activity, like actively participated in a community service, organizing charity events, and leading environmental initiatives. So this is the basic nature of activity. At what level? Demonstrated leadership as a club president, fostering teamwork and community engagement. So this is the level at which I was engaged in that activity. The third one, honors and awards, recognized for outstanding service with the Community Leadership Award, showcasing commitment and positive impact. So if you would have participated maybe in a sports event, so in the awards and achievements, you can write down that you have gotten a gold medal, your team won maybe at the district level. So all those things you can mention in the honors and awards. Coming to the second question, um, which is hobbies. So let's say that a person has two hobbies like photography and culinary adventures. So for the first one, photography, capturing moments through the lens is my passion. I enjoy exploring different perspectives and themes, experimenting with composition and documenting the beauty of the world around me. A basic answer on that particular hobby. Second one, I love experimenting in the kitchen, trying out new recipes and creating delicious meals, exploring diverse cuisine and mastering various cooking techniques brings me joy and satisfaction. Now, in your hobbies, if you have achieved something, obviously you can mention that. That would be a big positive for you. But if it is just a hobby, you can mention it, whatever you feel like, but it should be an honest answer. Third one, career goals. It should be within 100 words. So my career goal is to become a seasoned data scientist, leveraging advanced analytics to extract meaningful insights and drive informed decision making. I aspire to work at the intersection of technology and business. So it is a combination of technology and business that I want, utilizing my expertise in machine learning and data analysis to solve complex problems. So that is how I've mentioned what I want to do and what I'm good at, basically. Striving for innovation, I aim to contribute to the development of cutting edge solution, fostering a data driven culture within the organization. Now, since it is a sample answer, so it is more of a generic answer, you should always mention your career goals in a stepwise manner. Like in the next 1 year, what I'm going to do. After that year, what I'm going to do. You should make a plan, a crisp plan for the next 3 or 4 or 5 years. It should not be a generic answer. This one looks like a generic one because it is a sample answer. Okay. But you have to mention all the details, everything within 100 words or whatever the number of words are specified in the form. Okay. Then comes academic distinction prize awards that you have gotten. So it would always be recommended that you list down in a pointer format. Like in this one, again, it is a sample answer. So let's understand what is written here. During my academic journey, I received the prestigious XYZ Academic Excellence Award for maintaining the highest GPA in my major. So this is an academic distinction or an award that I've gotten. Additionally, I was honored with the ABC for outstanding research in the field of physics, recognizing my commitment for scholarly pursuits. My contributions extended beyond the classroom, leading me to represent the university at IIMA case study competition, where my research paper and like commendation. So basically, what is happening in this? I've mentioned 3 or 4 points. The first point is basically the award that I've gotten because of my high GPA. The second one, I've done some kind of a research. The third one, I've participated in a case study competition organized by IIM Ahmedabad. List down the points, give it points maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it again should not this particular section can never be generic, right? So this is how the 4 points can look like. Then, so the students who are looking for some kind of a guidance for the GD, VAT, PI process. So here Career Launcher comes into picture. So basically, Career Launcher has a PDP program where you'll get all the facilities which are there on the screen, like live sessions on PDP basics, personality basics sessions would be there. Knowledge series sessions. These are the sessions which will help you in the PI process because not all the things in the interview will be related to your profile or your work experience. It will be some kind of a general awareness interview also. So that's why general affairs is also there. Institute specific form filling, like the video that you are watching right now, it is institute specific form filling process ka video. So there will be we have talked about the PDP zone or this B school form filling process. So for every institute, student can approach the mentor, in which the mentor will help or guide the student or the mentee in the form filling process. Then mock interviews obviously will happen to give a basic idea of how the interview, the final interview is going to be there. SOP review, VAT practice would be there, GD practice would be there, and dedicated Telegram groups where you can ask all your queries. So these are the things, these are the areas in which Career Launcher can help you in the PI process. So I think that's all from the video, because we have already discussed all the things, what SOP questions they are asking in the IIM Calcutta form. So all the best, and make sure that we get selected in this particular round, and we make it to the final shortlist. All the best.